Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the function AVERAGEA inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly this function do? So it's pretty simple. It will calculate the average of all the arguments that we have right here. So in this case it's just 4 arguments, but you can have even more arguments. It works a little bit like the average, the normal average function. The only difference is that it will calculate pretty much all the arguments that you have. So it could be numbers, but it can also be letters. The only thing is that when you are calculating letters, what's gonna happen is that it's going to be replaced by 1. So here, for example, my function is written right there. And let's say instead of 1, well, I'm going to delete my 1. As you can see, it will calculate the average of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 2.33333. If I add a 0, it's going to be 1.75. But if I replace it with, I don't know, a simple letter, let's say G, it's going to be 1.75, which is the same thing as if it was 0. So as you can see here, if it's 0, it's going to be 1.75 as well. Now, how exactly we can write down our AVERAGEA function? So it's pretty simple. We're just going to write our equal sign, and then we are going to write down average, and then A. And after that, we can open up our parentheses, and here we can just select all the values that we want to use. So if we want to use more values, we can do just like this. And as you can see here, we are going to have the average of all these values. So if, for example, I'm adding a number or a letter here, so let's say G, as you can see, it's considered as a 0 and it's calculated in the average. So if, for example, I add 10 right here, as you can see, it does the same thing. So this is pretty much the same thing. So we'll just delete it. So as you can see, it can be letters, it can be numbers, so it will calculate all this in our AVERAGEA. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you like it, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.